At first, you need data with latitude and longitude in an Excel file. Now save the .xlsx file as comma-delimited, CSV, file in your folder. Now go to ArcMap and then go to Catalog or press Add Data button. Then find the CSV file you have saved and add in the ArcMap. Right-click on the point.csv layer and click Open. You will see the attribute table as similar as Excel data. Then right-click again in the point.csv layer and click on the Display XY Data option. Select Easting as X field and Northing as Y field from the drop-down. Then, select Coordinate System of your data. In my case, this data has been collected with WGS 8446 and Coordinate System. Now click OK. Here the point.csv file created as event file. Then need to export the data as shapefile. That's it. You can change the color and symbol of your point data. Thanks for watching.